Disney Plus not showing on App Store. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to fix Disney Plus not showing on App Store, you can change your country or region and then download the application further. To change, open App Store and tap on your profile icon. You will see the option for country or region. Tap on that and then tap on change country or region. You will be shown with a list of countries. I will select Australia here. You will be led to the terms and conditions page, so tap on the agree option and now fill in the required details. I will select none for the payment method for the time being. Also, enter the billing name and billing address very carefully as this step is really important. Once done, tap on next, and with this, you have successfully changed the App Store country or region to Australia. Now, if you go ahead and search for Disney Plus, then you will be able to download the application. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.